everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to personalize any notebook. All you need for this project is a notebook and some vinyl. Let's get started. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Next, I can use my weeder tool to pull off the background. I'll just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. I have a piece of transfer tape a little bit larger than my design, and I'll stick it on. I can use my scraper tool to stick the transfer paper to the vinyl. Then I can just flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Now I can line the design up into position. That looks good. I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down. Now I can pull off the transfer paper. And this project is ready to go. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.